Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Warzone 2 GPU driver version error. If you want to fix it, it's easy. Click here and then go to after that go to device manager and now go to display adapters, right click, update, and then search automatically for drivers and do the same thing to the next one. And after that go to GeForce Experience, drivers, check for updates, and make sure to install the latest update that you can find. And now the last thing you need to do, go to the graphics settings, and after that click browse, and now once you're here you must find Call of Duty Warzone 2, and when you find it just click add, and that's it. And when after that you will find it here, and when you find it, let's take Valorant as an example, click on it and then click options and you will find it here. Now just select high performance, and if that doesn't fix it, select power saving and you go try again, and that's it. Just change between those two graphics cards, and that's it. Your problem must be fixed, and I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.